I recently installed these lights on half of my garage, and I have 3 more to install on the other side. I'll show you the easy way I hardwired them to the existing light fixtures that I already had. Doing it this way didn't require me to run any additional wire or add any junction boxes, and it really maximized the brightness in my garage. I found these lights on Amazon. It's a pack of 6 lights. It only costs $45. They give you 2 hardwire adapters as well as 6 regular wall plugs if you didn't want to hardwire them. These lights can also be strung together up to 8 lights, and they provide all of the connecting adapters that you would need. So the first thing I'm going to do here is measure the lights I already installed so that I can match the placement on the other side. I'm using tin snips to cut the metal fixture to create a hole for the wire to come through. Before continuing, you want to make sure you turn off the power at the breaker. Now, the included wire they give you only has about 1.5 inches of wiggle room, so I'm just cutting some of the white sheathing off to make sure the wire is easier to maneuver. Be careful not to cut the actual wires, you just want to cut the white part of the sheathing. So up inside the fixture here, we have the white wires that my hands are touching. Those are the ones that are attached to the actual light fixture itself. The yellow wires are the Romex that supplies the actual power coming from the electrical panel. And then you have the plain copper ground wires that are screwed to the fixture itself. So what you want to do is loosen the screw and fit the new ground wire in. That's the green wire. Then you just remove the orange wire nuts and group all of the matching wire colors, black with black, white with white. In my case, there were 3 of each color wire. Then you'll just slip the connector end of the wire through the hole that you cut in the fixture. That's pretty much it. All of the hard work is done at this point. Now I just need to mark the ceiling for the mounting brackets. To attach them, you use the small number 4 screw and the little metal bracket that they provide. I didn't use any anchors or extra mounting hardware. These lights are so light, no pun intended, that the screw gripping the drywall was plenty strong to hold the light up. The rest of the process is pretty much just laying out where you want your lights to go, screwing in the brackets, and then just snapping the lights in and plugging them in together. They provide all of the wire connectors you'll need, so you just pretty much plug them together and you're pretty much done. I'll leave a link to the lights that I used in the video description. Here's a little before and after as well. The video doesn't really do it much justice, but it did brighten my garage substantially. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions or safety concerns down below.